In this video, I will answer a question from a recent webinar called Random Intercept and Random Slope Models. We're answering questions here because we had over 500 people live on the webinar, so we didn't have time to get through all the questions. If you missed the webinar live, this and the other questions in this video series may make more sense if you watch the webinar recording first. It's part of our free webinar series, the Craft of Statistical Analysis, and you can sign up to get the free recording, handout, and even the data that we ran in the example at this link listed below. Question: if the random slope model only produces a variance estimate and not 66 coefficients like a fixed effects model, how do you produce the 66 intercepts? Okay, it's actually doing it by treating those intercepts, each intercept for all 67 counties, as a latent variable. So this is a single variable with 67 values. Now, because it's latent, we can't measure it directly. Instead, what it's doing is predicting its values. And in fact, there is a term called EBLUPs. And like literally EBLUP small s. So empirical Bayes linear unbiased predictor. And these are actually predicted values of this latent variable, this latent intercept variable for each county. So it's all happening behind the scene. You can ask your software to save these EBLUPs for you, but it's never something you could calculate by hand. So the model is producing it sort of as an after the fact estimate. It's not something it has to produce in order to run everything.